When you're entering supplier bills into Xero, you may find that you're often inputting bills from the same supplier with similar details. To make this process faster and more efficient, Xero has a nifty feature called Add Last. Here's how it works and why it could be useful for you. So before we get into the demo, what does Add Last do? It's basically a feature that allows you to quickly replicate the last bill you entered for the same supplier. This means that if your most recent bill from a supplier had certain details like a particular item, quantities, pricing, etc., Xero can automatically fill those details in for you. So how do you use it? When you're adding a new bill, choose your supplier from the list, Bayside Club. Once you've selected the supplier, you will see an option, Add Last Item, appear. By clicking on Add Last, Xero will populate the new bill with the details of the last bill that you entered for that supplier. Even though Xero's filled those details in for you, you can still edit anything on the bill, so this is handy if you need to change quantities or prices or remove items. The main advantage is time saving, especially if you have recurring bills from the same supplier with similar details. Instead of entering all the information manually each time, you just make the necessary adjustments. It also helps maintain accuracy. By using details from the previous bill, you reduce the risk of input errors. But remember, while Add Last is a great feature for efficiency, always double check the details to ensure that they match the current bill that you're entering.